Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Hyundai Elantra. First, gather your jumper cables and a vehicle with a working battery. Safety is paramount, so ensure both cars are in park or neutral and completely turned off. Carefully position the vehicles so they are close enough for the jumper cables to connect without stretching, but not touching each other. This preparation step is crucial for a safe and successful jumpstart. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. First, attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of your Elantra's dead battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Then, connect one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the working battery. Finally, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Elantra, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, it's time to bring your Elantra back to life. Start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge to your dead battery. After 5 minutes, try to start your Hyundai Elantra. If it doesn't start immediately, wait another 2 or 3 minutes before attempting to start it again. Once your Elantra's engine is running, it's time to disconnect the cables safely in the reverse order of connection. First, remove the black negative clamp from the unpainted metal surface on your Elantra. Next, disconnect the black negative clamp from the working vehicle's battery. Then, remove the red positive clamp from the working battery. Finally, disconnect the red positive clamp from your Elantra's battery. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.